In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit shapes in Word and Excel. Shapes are a simple yet powerful way to enhance your documents and worksheets, whether you're building diagrams, emphasizing key details, or just making your work more visually engaging. The good news is that both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel provide easy-to-use tools that let you insert and customize shapes in just a few clicks. To begin, open either your Word document or your Excel worksheet. Once you're inside the program, direct your attention to the top menu, also known as the ribbon, and click on the Insert tab. Within this section, you'll find the Shapes option. When you select it, a menu will appear displaying a variety of shapes, including basic figures like rectangles and circles, as well as arrows, lines, and more specialized diagram elements. Go ahead and choose the shape that best fits your needs. After selecting it, click anywhere on your page or worksheet. Then drag your mouse to draw the shape. As you drag, you can control the size and proportions, making it as large or as small as necessary. Once your shape has been added, you can easily adjust it. To move it, simply click on the shape and drag it to a new position. If you need to resize it, use the small handles around the edges or corners and drag them inward or outward. To customize how your shape looks, make sure it is selected. Then go to the Shape Format tab that appears on the ribbon. Here, you can modify its appearance by changing the fill color, adjusting the outline, or applying visual effects like shadows and glows to make it stand out. If you want to include text inside your shape, just click directly on it and start typing. Alternatively, you can right-click the shape and choose the option to add text. You also have the ability to change the shape itself without deleting it. With the shape selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab, choose Edit Shape, and then select Change Shape. This allows you to switch to a different design while keeping your existing content. In addition, you can rotate or flip your shape using the Rotate option, depending on how you want it oriented. For better organization, you can select multiple shapes by holding down the Control key, then align or group them together using the available tools on the ribbon. As a helpful tip, holding down the Shift key while drawing will help you create perfectly proportioned shapes like squares or circles. That's everything you need to know to start working with shapes in Word and Excel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.